Today we are going to show you how to install the Tuscany and Verona Vinyl Gates by Color Guard. This adjustable gate comes in 36-inch and 42-inch heights and is available in white, tan, and clay. It fits a 42-inch rough opening, but may be cut down to accommodate smaller openings. The gate comes fully boxed and includes top and bottom gate rails, posts and balusters, a cross brace, hinge and latch assemblies, plywood end post fillers, and screws. Before you install, you will need to gather your tools, including a tape measure, level, square, a drill with a number 2 Phillips driver, a 5/16 inch hex driver, and a 5/32 inch drill bit, a miter saw, and PVC cement. And don't forget your safety glasses. To begin, measure the distance between the routed holes on the side of the railing gate post and mark on plywood insert 1/2 inch shorter than the distance between the routed holes. Then, cut 2 pieces of plywood, 1 piece for each side of the gate. Determine which way you would like the gate to swing. Slide the cut piece of plywood into the hinge side gate post. With the hinge center bolt positioned 8 inches from the top of the hinge side gate post, attach the hinge using screws through the vinyl and wood. You may need to use a piece of scrap wood to hold the plywood in place. Attach the bottom hinge with the center bolt 8 inches up from the bottom of the post. Next, insert the second piece of plywood inside the latch side of the gate post. Making sure the striker is on the same side as the hinges, attach the latch striker to the post roughly 12 inches down from the top of the post. Now it's time to measure and cut the rails. First, measure the opening between the existing railing posts and subtract 2 inches for spacing. Place the 2 posts in position on a level surface. Measure the distance calculated in step 1 from the outside of each gate post and make adjustments. Once corrected, lay the balusters on the posts with openings facing upwards. Center the baluster openings so the inside gate post distance to the first baluster opening is even on both sides. Mark on the rails outside the gate post, then cut the rails inside the marks using a miter saw. We recommend using a 10-inch 82 carbide blade. Now it's time to assemble the gate. With the posts and top and bottom rails arranged on top of a smooth surface, insert balusters into rails. Slide the ends of the rails into routed holes on the gate posts, firmly pushing the rails all the way into the posts. Measure from corner to corner to check for square. Then install 1 cap screw on all 4 corners. Recheck for square and install the next screws. Turn the gate over and repeat on the other side. Now it's time to measure, cut, and attach the diagonal cross brace. Place the gate assembly on top of the cross brace with hinges and latch facing down. The top corner of the cross brace must be where the latch is mounted for structural support. Center the cross brace, then mark the brace on the inside at the corners. Cut the cross brace on the marks. On the hinge and latch side, put the cross brace into place. Pre-drill screw holes using a 5/32 inch drill bit, 1 hole per baluster. Attach the cross brace using the included screws. Finally, we will hang the gate. Hang the gate so that there is a 1-inch opening on the latch side and the hinge side of the gate. The gate must be the same height as your railing to be code. To adjust, tighten or loosen the T-rod nuts on the hinges. Attach the latch to the post to receive the latch striker. Install caps to the tops of the gate posts and affix with PVC cement. And you're done. Thank you for watching. For more information on ColorGuard railing systems, including product information, options and accessories, installation instructions, and inspirational ideas, please visit us at colorguardrailing.com.